Alpine lakes, although they're not for everyone because of rugged terrain and climbing extreme vert, the moment you make it to these lakes, everything just makes sense. Guys, welcome back to another one. We've made it out here, myself and Noah. He's already in the water fishing. I waited. Grant, look at me right now. Review the footage. I waited, I counted my one, and I set. Don't be making fun of me. I'm not. It's dry fly fishing. Now I'm stuck in a tree and sad. And I'm over here trying to figure out how I'm going to record this thing. Have made it to this gorgeous lake. This lake in specific holds trophy trout. We're going to be targeting cutthroat trout and golden trout. Really looking after those big, bright red cutthroat. We hiked a couple miles into this gorgeous lake to fly fish. But anyways, let's not waste any more time. I'm going to go ahead and rig up the rod, get the lines wet, see if we can't catch some of these fish. Let's do it. Just 50 yards. Oh my god. There it is. Dude, that's a nice fish, bro. Like, really nice fish, Noah.
Way to pay attention, bro.
Dude, right when we were about to move, bro. Dude, Noah, that's like...
I told you they're nice
dude, like...
I told you there's nice fish.
Dude, that's like terrifyingly nice. Like, he's jumping, he's coming up, dude. Ooh, smart fish, dude. Oh, he's in the weeds, bro. In the trees over there. We're not gonna get him. We're not gonna get him, Noah. He's off. Oh. That's unfortunate. Felt like a nice fish, man. No wonder there are trophy trout signs out. Oh, dude. That's a nice fish, Noah. Get him out, dude. Here, I'm gonna get the net. Dude, did he not look way bigger than that?
Dude, he looked massive. It's still a good fish, though. Good fish, though.
Nice fish, dude.
Chunky.
Oh, dude.
Chunky
Really
fish.
nice fish.
Heyo.
Nice, bro.
Let's go.
Dude, finally, someone
Oh
had to
my
get it
gosh,
done.
Yes. It was probably the guy that walked by gave us some good luck.
Josh gave us some good luck, man.
Josh, yeah, thanks for the good luck, man. Grant actually gave him a fly. I feel like this is Grant's karma that I just kind of took, but...
Took my fish.
Yeah.
Seen a couple of rise. I've honestly just been having a hard time getting it to cast in here. No, one's jumping over here by this bush. I gotta figure out how to cast to my left here. I know. Dude. Ow. Big old dunk. Come on, big old dunk.
Oh. Yep. Nice. Dude, that wind turned up and Made our flies move a little bit and game on. Oh, golden trout, dude, golden trout. No way, no way, no way. Gorgeous! Golden trout, bro. Dude.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream
See, bro.
is you.
Dude, never in my life have I ever caught a golden trout. And to lose that fish this morning, probably a big cutthroat, and then just keep missing fish. I've been kind of on a little downfall here. I've been just waiting for a fish and totally expecting cutthroat, you know, hook into him, like, you know, not near as big. That other fish had to have been huge, right? Stripping into him, but still a nice fish. And I just see that thing jump out of the water, and it literally looks like a hybrid between like a cutthroat, brook trout, like almost palomino, like body on it. That fish, those are gifts. Those are, oh, I don't even know how to explain that, man. That's unbelievable. And that is why you fish alpine lakes. Fishing little leeches and chironomids. Haven't had much luck on the chironomid, but leeches have been good. And we've had some little articulated nymphs we've been checking out doing. They've been the ticket, but we ran out, so the leeches are doing it though.
It's always when the GoPro dies.
There we go, go on. Fish too, dude. Fish too, man. Yes, dude.
A stud.
Stunner, dude. Give me some, bro. Let's go. There it goes. See, buddy. Sick, dude. Hey, of course, GoPro dies. I tell Noah, I'm like, hey, give it 5 seconds. We're gonna hook up. 5 seconds later, drained. Biggest cutty of the day, man. Always happens that way, but hey, so sick though. Big fish, big
Where?
fish.
I see him. It's gonna be too late. He's already under the tree. Hold on. He's gonna come out on this side.
He's eating it. He just ate it. Dude. He just ate it. Saw him eat it. That was insane, bro. Come on, buddy. Thrash and got him, dude. That was insane. Snuck out under the log, creeped up on it. Got him, dude.
Will always be better than two.
It's so slippery.
Is it really? Dude will do anything to retrieve a couple bugs.
Bugs are expensive these days.
And it's better to pick them up.
And face plant into this tree.
I don't think any of us would be mad.
I would be mad. Grant's really cheering against me right now, guys.
I'm zooming out so we can get the splash when you fall.
Oh yeah, dude. Walk out on that and cast toward that down one. wind has to pick up this exact moment. Brother, I am probably going in.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Probably going in.
Don't say that's making me laugh. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. You're good. You're a billy goat. You don't fall into nothing.
All right, we're in business, boys. A little tighter to the log if you can. That's like right over where the fish was.
There he is. I mean, look at that view. Absolutely gorgeous spot we just stumbled upon, but some of my last good flies are sitting right there, so unfortunately we might have to spook some fish, but we gotta get them. I mean, I don't have any more of those in my box and they've been roping, so let's just go get them, dude.
Like a good 30 degrees.
This lake was ice off for like no more than a week ago, so this will be fun. You know, nutter butters get a little wet. It's gonna be cold. I'm not a great swimmer, but I'm a good enough swimmer. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to do this without trying to spook too many fish. Ooh, that's spooking fish. Oh, that's good. That's spooking fish. Get the line in. Hurry, get the line in, bro. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. Here they are, bro. Reel in, bro. Reel in. Oh, hold on. You're in my finger. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it's so cool.
That didn't spook any fish, bud.
Oh, hey, we're good. Let's get back in there. Oh, let's get back in there. Oh my gosh. That was cool. That felt awesome though, dude. Love it. Hey. I didn't spook what was beyond the log. I only spooked what was in front here. Oh, that was cold. I think I needed that though. I'm tan. I'm pale, guys. Maybe I should be spending my time out here sun tanning rather than fishing, but I know you guys like when I fish, so gotta do it. But I love it too. Well, good little success so far at the first lake. We are gonna hike our way out of here and get some food because, believe it or not, you can explain it.
Oh my goodness. We thought it was going to be like a 2, 3, 4 hour fish tops, and we're like, we'll just bring waters. It's about to be 6 p.m.
Waters, 2 waters, 1 for me, 1 for you.
Yeah, it's about to be 6 p.m. and neither of us have ate, so it's been,
Anything.
yeah, we've been feeding off of each other's vibes and trout all day. Not eating trout, but catching trout. You know what I mean.
Yeah. So if you guys ever think we don't try to bust out content to get this for you guys, well, you're wrong. We're dying. So we're keeping a smile on our face though and having a good time still. Anyways, getting back to the truck, gonna eat some grub real quick and check out another lake nearby. Guys, we just walk through these trees here. There are fish tucked up right here. Guys, we're literally in a flooded forest. This used to be a campground. There's a teepee behind us. There are fish posted up at camp, dude. They're at camp. Into the dry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Big cutty. No way, dude. Let's go. No way, dude. Flooded forest. No way, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, the fish are still there. Dude, this water we're standing in, guys, is freezing cold.
Gosh, dude.
Insane, bro.
Insane
There's still
spot.
fish, dude. Look at this fish, dude. So epic, dude. I don't think there's a cooler way to catch a cutthroat. Ever. This has to be the coolest way to catch a cutthroat. Ever. Anyways, we're gonna let him go. Don't tell your buddies, dude. Get him out. Dude, you're awesome, bro. Fuck. Dude, oh my God, that's bigger. That fish is big, bro.
That is the craziest way to catch a cutthroat.
Is that a cutty? Oh, God, I thought it was a golden trout, dude.
Oh, that'd be a monster golden trout.
Anyway, good release.
Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Man, what a crazy turn of events today has been. I mean, the lake fishing already was insane. We had such a good time, but we got so hungry, we were like, hey man, let's hike out, let's get some grub, and then let's try out another lake. As we were hiking out, we pulled up to some of the craziest fishing of our life, man. Like, insane. I've never done anything like this. It's like you're fishing in the marsh for reds or pitching for bass in heavy timber. But no, they're just cutthroats in the trees. Just unbelievable. We are so fortunate. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, subscribe. It helps out so much. Tight lines. I'll see you on the river.